Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be rebuilding this Rochester 2-barrel carb that came off the 71 Catalina 4-door. I believe this is the original carb to the car. That 7041060 is actually for a B body. That's for either an A or B body with AC or not. I also had the one that came with the car, the convertible. This is also, I don't know, I didn't look up the date yet and see if it's correct for the production date of the car. But this is correct for the same 400, with or without AC. And this one, which the guy who sold me the convertible also included with the car, this is a different number. This is a 7041061, which the book shows is for a F-body AC car. So I'm going to be rebuilding the original carb. I just saved some of the little clips that came off for the ones for the choke lever. There's tiny little clips that I probably won't be able to find. I'll pull those out of the bag later and show you. But I'm just going to be going, according to the book, I'm going to be taking this apart. I did buy a rebuild kit from the Carburetor shop. And it supposedly has all good seals in it that could withstand ethanol. So we'll find out. I did rebuild a Holly that I had on my 71 Bonneville. Didn't drive the car for a few years, and when I went to get it going, it was completely crapped out. Even the plating from the bolts that hold the fuel bowls on was actually off and just coated the fuel bowl. So this thing is in, it looks like it's in pretty dirty shape. I don't know, with all that material kind of between the seams there, I don't know if this has been gone through before. I'm assuming it must be if it's 50 some years old already. But I'm going to be tearing this apart and we'll see what I find out. Okay, I had about 3 hours of footage of me going through the carburetor. However, my hands were in the way most of it, and I was using a lot of expletives. So I didn't show any of that, but the end result is the car fired right up, as you'll see in a minute. And everything looks good. I'm going to be able to move the car out with no issues. Okay, I've got the carb all hooked up. The only vacuum line that I didn't use in this case, I plugged it up. The one that I believe goes to the air cleaner, and the other one goes to that little vacuum ball for the AC. I didn't include that. But everything's hooked up, including the choke. And I'm going to try to fire it up now and see what happens. Okay, I'm sure there'll be absolutely no gas in the carb. So hopefully I got a good battery. I'm going to leave it floored. Lose that gasket. Apparent fuel leak. Choke is opening up. Idle's a little fast. I didn't do anything but put the mixture screws all the way in, and I think I backed them out 3 times, which is where the original ones were. I'm not going to check the timing. I'm not going to set the mixture screws now. I just wanted to see if it would fire up. And I'm very happy. I'm going to let it idle for a little while, see if that choke opens up all the way. Looks like it's opening before my very eyes. A little exhaust leak. it should be operating temperature before I try to adjust anything. But again, I just wanted it to start. I'm pretty confident that I could probably put it in drive and get it out of here. The whole purpose of this was I have to change that air compressor in the corner, and I got to move the car out and get at it. So I'm going to call this a win. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks!